Many thanks indeed for joining us again in this tutorial. You are highly welcome, and in this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to use Bluewillow AI for free. To get to Bluewillow, you simply type bluewillow.ai and it will bring you to this website. This is their homepage before logging in. And with Bluewillow, you are able to generate nice looking images using prompts. And how to use this is simple. And so we are going to be creating such stunning looking images in this tutorial. So how do we create such images? You simply come to bluewillow.ai. You will click on the upper right corner, join the free beta. Then you'll join the Discord, register using your email, verify that email through the link they'll send that email. And after that, you will be brought to this page where now you can access Bluewillow. Our focus will be mainly how to generate the images. So to generate the image, you will come down here and choose one of the rookies. You notice today we have from rookie 4 to rookie 10, but some of these rookies you may not be able to use them. If for instance I click on rookie 7, you notice down here, my cursor is not active and I'm told I don't have permission to send messages to this channel. So you select a rookie that is open. Let me select rookie 9 to see if it's open. Yes, rookie 9 is open and I can type my message here. Now to develop a prompt here, it's so easy to do that. You simply type / then the word imagine, and then you'll notice something coming up here, imagine then prompt. Then you'll click on that prompt, and then now the cursor is blinking here. You type what you need. For instance, if I type, I need Spider-Man riding a bicycle. After I type that, I'll click on enter, and then I'll give it time to generate the image. You notice all these are images being generated by others, and there is my image. So you'll notice that your image will be having a yellow highlight on this side. So as other images develop, it's easier to find your image because of this one. So if now I click on that, you will notice we have Spider-Man indeed riding a bicycle, but different variations. You notice we have Spider-Man 1, then we have the first version here, and then the second version on the second upper right corner, the third version which looks like an ordinary human being just riding a bicycle, and then we have the fourth image that is Spider-Man who is not even riding a bicycle. So how now do I select the right image? If now I click back, you will notice that down here I have U1, V1, U2 all the way. So you see U1, U2, U3, U4, and V1, V2, V3, V4. The U here means upscale, and the V here means variation. The numbers given here, you notice we have U1 and V1. U1 means upscale 1, or upscale the first image, which is this one. V1 means variations of 1. That is the same image of image number 1, then I get different variations. The same thing with the U2. U2 refers to this second image, and the U means upscale, and the V2 means another version or another variation of image 2, and so on and so forth up to U4, which is upscale image number 4 or get variations for image number 4. So now, in the interest of what I wanted, a Spider-Man riding a bicycle, then these two last images are not right, and the second image also is not so right, because you notice it also doesn't look like the Spider-Man. So the best image for me here is image number 1. So what I want to do is, I want to first upscale that image. I simply click on upscale, or I can also get variations of the same. So before we upscale, let us get variations for the same image number 1, because it is the most accurate according to my prompt. So I'll click on V1, that is get variations for image 1, and then I'll give it time. The moment you see a yellow highlight, you notice that will be our image, and then there it is, and here it is. So now if I click on that, you notice we have the same image one with the Spider-Man riding a bicycle, but different variations. So for instance, this first image, there seemed to be a bridge far away. In the second image, the bridge is so near, and actually Spider-Man is on that bridge. In the third image here, you notice again the image is slightly different, even on the ground, how the road looks like, and even the sky. And then the fourth image, Spider-Man looks to be very far away now, even from the bridge. So we have gotten different variations, and that is how you use V, either V1 to V4. Now that Bluewillow helps to just generate 4 images at a time. So for the image that I'm satisfied with, I can upscale it. So for instance, I like the second image, especially because of the bridge here. So now the second image is 2, so I want to upscale image 2. So I'll come back here and then click on U2 to upscale the second image. So I'll click on that, and then I'll scroll down because other images have already been developed, and wait for mine, and here it is. You now notice our image is high quality and well upscaled. So to use this image or to download it, I'll simply click on that image, then right click, and then save image as, and then I'll give it a name. Let me give it the name Spider-Man. It's JPG, and then I click on save. So my image has now been saved. So if now I go to my downloads, you can see my image is here. Then I'll open it to view it. And here is our image. You notice our image is nice and clear. So that is how you get the images. Let's try something. Let's try the same thing. Let us try the same thing, but give more details on what we need in our prompt here. And that is what you should do. To get a more accurate image, provide as much details as you can. So I'll click on imagine, then prompt, and now type here another thing. So let me type this and give as much details as I can. Let me type this: a black woman carrying a pot of water on her head at sunset with a hilly background. And then I'll now click on enter. I have provided a bit of some more details. I wait for the yellow part to know that will be my image. I click on it before it disappears. So you simply give it time and stay alert. These are images generated by others in the same rookie. And there it is. So I click on it before it disappears. And here we go. So notice we have a black woman on image 1 here, image 2, image 3, and image 4. But we needed a black woman carrying a pot of water on her head on a hilly background. So you notice image 1, there seems to be a woman, yes. The background is hilly, but the jerrycan or the pot is not on the head. The second one looks the same, but the woman is holding the container on her head. We have the third image here with the woman indeed carrying the pot on her head, and the woman is black, and then a hilly background with a nice sunset. And the fourth image is almost accurate again. The pot is on the head, although it looks like a container. And then the background is hilly with a nice mountain. The most accurate image is the third and the fourth. So I want to get variations of the third image. So I'll click outside and then come down here, and I want to get variations of the third image. So I'll click on V3 here, and then give it time to get the variation for the third image. And here we have it. So you now notice we have variations of the third image. The first image, the pot has changed into something else. The second image, the pot looks nice and neat. The third and the fourth again still look so neat and nice. So now I'm satisfied with the images. Then I can select the one that I feel looks the best. I think I love the third image still. Has a nice sunset, a nice background, but the second image also looks cool. So if I decide not to use the second image, I can click on U2. I come back to my image, and here click on upscale to, so that I can upscale that. Here we have it. Then I'll click on that. You notice we have our image there, nicely looking. Then I'll right click, then I'll save the image. Then click on save. And now if I come to my images on downloads, you notice the other image of the Spider-Man still looking so nice. That is how you can use Bluewillow AI to generate images for free. I hope this has been a helpful video. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and keep on watching more of our videos.